Yes. Okay. Oh, you want a new one, right? This is working?
Yes, it's still working.
Is it still working? Work here. Okay. All right. 60. All right.
Okay.
All right.
It's gonna start. It's gonna do everything.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna save your number. You working in Poinciana?
All right. So now should we start the new key? Perfect. And the remote too. You heard? Make sure it's locked. Lock the car. All good. So that's my personal phone number. Yes.
Hold on. I give you the money too much. I just realized that.
Yes, you give me.
I was like, no, that's too much. I'm sorry. I just lost my daughter. I'm crazy. Like,
Oh.
my daughter died.
Oh, sorry about that. Sorry.